Many people are held back by the fear of losing money, making mistakes, or stepping into a world that feels reserved for experts. These fears can keep us working for money our entire lives, never learning how money can actually work for us. This emotional barrier is powerful, and it's the first hurdle anyone faces when thinking about investing. The truth is, these fears are common and understandable, but they don't have to define our financial journey. Let's explore how to move beyond them and start seeing investing in a new light. At its core, investing is about ownership. When you invest, you're not just putting money into a system, you're buying a piece of something real. Whether it's shares in a company or a stake in a business, investing means you own part of the engine that drives economic growth. This simple concept is often lost in the noise of the modern market, but it's the foundation of all successful investing. Understanding this can help you see investing as a way to participate in the world's progress, not just a risky game. You buy shares of companies like Apple or Microsoft, you're not gambling. You're becoming a part owner of real businesses that grow, sell products, and generate profits over time. This is a powerful shift in mindset. Instead of seeing investing as speculation, see it as participation in the success of companies you believe in. These businesses work every day to create value, and as a shareholder, you benefit from their growth. It's a way to align your financial goals with the progress of the world's most innovative companies. Modern market makes it easy to forget the basics. Prices rise and fall every second, and social media turns investing into entertainment. People chase hype trying to predict the next big thing instead of focusing on patience and understanding. This constant noise can distract us from the real purpose of investing, building wealth over time. It's important to recognize these distractions and stay focused on what truly matters. Investing isn't about excitement, it's about steady progress. Real investing is often boring, and that's exactly why it works. Successful investors don't try to predict every move or chase every trend. Instead, they stay consistent and let time do the heavy lifting. This approach may not be exciting, but it's proven to be effective. The power of patience is at the heart of investing. By sticking to a plan and resisting the urge to react to every market swing, you give your investments the chance to grow steadily. Compounding is the secret weapon of investing. It's the process where your returns start earning returns, creating a snowball effect over time. At first, growth feels slow and almost invisible, but as the years pass, the curve accelerates and your wealth can grow dramatically. The formula for compounding shows how powerful this effect can be. It's not about making quick gains, it's about letting your money work for you year after year. When you first start investing, the progress can feel painfully slow. You might not see big changes in your account, and it's easy to get discouraged. But this is normal. Compounding takes time to show its true power. The early years are about building a foundation, and the real magic happens later. If you stay committed, your returns will start to multiply and the curve of your wealth will begin to steepen. As your investments grow, they start earning returns on previous returns. This is the compounding effect in action. Over time, the growth becomes exponential and your wealth can increase much faster than you might expect. The key is to let your investments stay untouched and allow time to do its work. This is why patience is so important in investing. The longer you stay invested, the greater the rewards. Real challenge in investing isn't technical, it's emotional. Markets rise and fall and people's emotions swing with them. When prices go up, greed takes over. When prices crash, panic sets in. These emotional reactions can lead to poor decisions like selling at the wrong time or chasing risky investments. Learning to manage your emotions is crucial for long-term success. It's not about being smarter, it's about being steadier. During major market crises like the 2008 financial crisis, many investors panic and sell their holdings. But disciplined investors see these moments as opportunities. They keep buying even when everyone else is afraid. This difference in behavior is what separates successful investors from the rest. It's not about intelligence, it's about patience and discipline. Staying calm during tough times can make all the difference. Many people think investing success comes from intelligence or predicting the market. In reality, it's patience that matters most. The ability to stay calm, consistent, and focused on the long term is what separates winners from losers. You don't have to be a genius to succeed, you just have to stick with your plan and let time work for you. Investing rewards those who stay consistent. Making regular contributions, sticking to your plan, and resisting the urge to react to every market move are key habits. Over time, these habits build wealth and stability. Consistency is more important than timing or picking the perfect stock. It's about showing up again and again and letting your investments grow. Successful investors keep their eyes on the long term. They don't get distracted by short-term ups and downs. Instead, they focus on the big picture, building wealth over years, not days. This mindset helps them stay calm during market swings and avoid making impulsive decisions. The goal is to let time do the work and trust that steady progress will lead to financial freedom. Someone today might invest a small amount into the S&P 500. It won't feel powerful in the moment, but years later that simple decision could make all the difference. Investing isn't about making huge moves, it's about taking small steps consistently. Over time, these steps add up and can separate financial freedom from financial struggle. Every little bit counts. The ultimate goal of investing is financial freedom. This means having enough resources to live comfortably without worrying about money. It's not about getting rich overnight, it's about building a foundation that supports your life. Investing can help you achieve this, but it requires patience, discipline, and a long-term mindset. The journey may be slow, but the rewards are worth it. In investing, time is your greatest ally. The longer you stay invested, the more powerful compounding becomes. It's not about moving fast, it's about staying long enough for time to work its magic. This is why patience and consistency are so important. Letting your investments grow over years can lead to results you never imagined. It's easy to get caught up in the hype of new trends and hot stocks. Social media and news outlets often highlight the latest winners, making it tempting to chase quick gains, but real investing is about avoiding hype and focusing on fundamentals. Stick to your plan, ignore the noise, and trust the process. This approach leads to steady progress and lasting success. Investing is often confused with entertainment. The excitement of watching prices move, the thrill of chasing trends, and the drama of market news can make investing feel like a game. But true investing is about building wealth, not seeking excitement. It's important to separate entertainment from investing and focus on what really matters: steady growth and financial security. Every investment carries some risk. Prices can go up or down, and there's always uncertainty. But understanding risk is key to making smart decisions. Don't let fear stop you from investing. Instead, learn about the risks, manage them, and stay focused on your goals. The right mindset can help you navigate uncertainty and build confidence. Mistakes are part of the investing journey. Everyone makes them, and they're valuable learning opportunities. Instead of fearing mistakes, embrace them as lessons. Each mistake teaches you something new and helps you become a better investor. The key is to keep moving forward, learn from your experiences, and stay committed to your goals. Many people believe investing is only for experts. This myth keeps countless individuals from starting their journey. The truth is, anyone can learn to invest. You don't need a finance degree or insider knowledge. With patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn, you can build wealth and achieve your financial goals. Adopting an ownership mindset changes everything. When you invest, you're not just buying stocks, you're becoming a part owner of real businesses. This perspective helps you focus on long-term growth and value creation. It's about participating in the economy and sharing in the success of companies you believe in. Investing means owning a piece of real businesses. These companies work every day to grow, innovate, and generate profits. As a shareholder, you benefit from their success. It's important to remember that investing isn't just about numbers, it's about supporting businesses that drive progress and create value. Businesses grow and evolve over time. When you invest, you're participating in this journey. The value of your investment increases as companies expand, launch new products, and generate more profits. This growth is slow and steady, but it's powerful. Staying invested allows you to capture the benefits of long-term progress. Many investors chase trends, hoping to catch the next big winner. This approach is risky and often leads to disappointment. Instead, focus on fundamentals and long-term value. Avoid the temptation to jump from one trend to another. Consistency and patience are far more effective than chasing hype. Entertainment trap is real. Watching markets move, following news, and chasing excitement can distract you from your goals. Investing isn't about thrill, it's about building wealth. Stay focused on your plan, ignore the noise, and remember why you started. The best results come from boring, consistent investing. Investing is about steady progress, not quick wins. The most successful investors build wealth slowly over years and decades. This approach requires patience and discipline, but it's proven to work. Don't rush the process, trust that steady progress will lead to lasting success. Letting time work for you is the essence of investing. The longer you stay invested, the more powerful compounding becomes. It's not about timing the market, it's about spending time in the market. This simple principle can make all the difference in your financial journey. Panic is one of the biggest threats to investing success. When markets crash, it's tempting to sell and cut losses. But history shows that staying calm and holding on leads to better outcomes. Avoid panic, trust your plan, and let time do its work. This approach helps you weather storms and come out stronger. Greed can lead to risky decisions, while discipline keeps you on track. Successful investors resist the urge to chase quick gains and stick to their strategy. Discipline is about making smart choices, staying consistent, and focusing on long-term goals. It's the foundation of investing success. Emotional control is essential for investors. Markets will always fluctuate and emotions will always be tested. Learning to stay calm, avoid impulsive decisions, and stick to your plan is key. Emotional control helps you make rational choices and stay focused on your goals. Building wealth through investing is a gradual process. It's about making smart decisions, staying consistent, and letting time work for you. The journey may be slow, but the rewards are lasting. Focus on building a strong foundation and trust that your efforts will pay off. Without investing, many people face financial struggle. Working for money alone isn't enough to build wealth or achieve freedom. Investing allows your money to work for you, creating opportunities and security. The difference between financial freedom and struggle often comes down to simple, consistent investing. Simple decisions can have a huge impact. Investing a small amount regularly, choosing broad market funds, and staying consistent are powerful steps. You don't need complex strategies or insider knowledge. Simple, steady actions lead to big results over time. Investing in the S&P 500 is a classic example of simple, effective investing. It's a broad market index that represents the largest companies in America. By investing in the S&P 500, you're participating in the growth of the economy and benefiting from compounding returns. This approach is accessible, proven, and powerful. Financial security comes from building a strong foundation. Investing helps you create stability, grow your resources, and protect your future. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about making smart choices and staying consistent. Financial security is within reach for anyone willing to invest patiently. Mistakes are inevitable, but they don't have to derail your journey. Learn from them, adjust your strategy, and keep moving forward. The best investors embrace mistakes as opportunities to grow. Avoiding mistakes isn't about perfection, it's about resilience and learning. Staying calm during market swings is crucial. When prices fluctuate, emotions can run high, but calm investors make better decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Practice staying calm, trust your plan, and remember that investing is a long-term journey. The rewards of investing come over the long term. Compounding, steady growth, and financial security are all products of patience and consistency. Don't focus on short-term gains, look ahead and trust that your efforts will pay off in the future. Setting clear financial goals is important for every investor. Know what you want to achieve, create a plan, and stay committed. Goals give you direction and motivation, helping you stay focused during tough times. Investing is a tool to reach your goals and build the life you want. Building good investing habits is key to success. Make regular contributions, review your plan, and stay disciplined. Habits create consistency and help you avoid impulsive decisions. Over time, these habits lead to wealth and financial security. Trusting the process is essential. Investing is a journey, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs, but sticking to your plan and trusting the process leads to success. Don't get discouraged by setbacks, stay focused, and let time work for you. Investing is a lifelong financial journey. It's about learning, growing, and adapting. The path may be challenging, but the rewards are lasting. Embrace the journey, stay patient, and keep moving forward. Your financial future depends on the choices you make today. To succeed in investing, remember these key lessons. Overcome your fears, adopt an ownership mindset, stay patient, and let time work for you. Avoid hype, manage your emotions, and focus on consistency. Investing isn't about excitement, it's about building wealth slowly and steadily. Trust the process, and your financial goals will become reality. Investing is more than a financial strategy, it's a way to build a better life. By overcoming fear, embracing patience, and trusting the power of compounding, you can achieve financial freedom and security. The journey may be slow, but the rewards are lasting. Start today, stay consistent, and let your money work for you. Investing isn't reserved for experts, it's for anyone willing to learn and grow.